Hi everyone, my name is Atul Bakshi and I'm working as a student recruitment advisor at the Monash University. Talking about Monash, Monash University is ranked in top 50 universities of the world. In fact, Monash is a founding member of a group of 8 universities which are known for their research and teaching methodologies. In addition, Monash offers range of scholarships to high achieving and meritorious students. So if you wish to know more about Monash University, its program, scholarships, and support services, please do join us for the education event, which are being organized by IDP. That's on Friday, 16th of Feb in Kandy at the Grand Kandyan Hotel, and on Saturday, that is 17th of Feb, at the Galadari Hotel in Colombo. So look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.